Here at Stoltmann Law Offices, our focus is on business breakups. We represent both businesses and individuals when the partnership dissolves or a partner's not treated properly. Now, the key to resolving any of these cases is coming up with a value for the business. Ultimately, that is what the entire shareholder oppression business is about, is determining what the value of the business is. Once we come to a valuation, it's a matter of putting emotion aside and reaching a resolution. Now, valuation can be evaluated in many different ways. The best possible valuation in most cases is called a market valuation, which is we find other businesses that are similar in size that were sold recently and compare that value to what our client's ownership interest is worth. I recently went to trial on a case where we were very fortunate, where right before the event of kicking the partner out of the business occurred, there was an offer to buy the business. So that gave us an anchor for value of the business, which enabled us to have a very firm number for our expert to present for what the business is worth, since someone had just offered it. We can also get more creative in these valuation questions. We can retain outside experts to opine what the cash flow of the business will be over the future. This is especially useful in businesses that don't have a lot of assets. We recently were involved in a piece of litigation where the business was professional services. So they didn't have an inventory, they didn't have physical assets, but they had a tremendous cash flow. So we retained an outside expert to opine on the value of the business based on its future cash flows. Those are one of the many widely accepted methods for valuation. The key thing is, when starting off a business divorce case, is to find the method of valuation that maximizes your recovery and supporting it with both case law, supporting the utilization of that method of valuation, and finding the right expert. It goes so far with the court if you have an expert that has specific expertise in that field. Here at Stoltmann Law Offices, we work with a wide variety of business valuation experts who have industry-specific valuation experience. So if you have a business breakup case, if you're not getting along with your partner, please call Stoltmann Law Offices at 312-332-4200.